if you're gonna do that again, you gotta let me out of the car. I just wasn't prepared for that. I wasn't prepared for that.
It's pretty fast.
Like my heart is beating out of my chest right now. Is it pretty fast? Pretty fast? It's pretty fast.
It's pretty fast. Ready?
No. Oh my God.
That was 100.
So why don't we just let me out the car next time? My hands are shaking.
And then
What is this?
you can roll the windows up and put it into normal automatic mode and
Okay, so you have put me in many a precarious situation in cars. This one makes them all look like
it's outrageous, right?
unbelievable. I mean, but it's not just fast; it's smooth.
Oh,
Like it's like all of a sudden you're going ludicrous speed. Isn't that what they say in Spaceballs? Like that, you're going plaid. That's it. It's like all of a sudden you're there, but but it's effortless.
And the coolest thing is you can turn all that off and I mean here we
And
are.
drive it normally.
Back to normal, you know.
Okay, well I prefer the normal.
You prefer the normal?
But this is crazy. Jason's really outdone himself. This is that way.
Alright, so check this out.
Please.
Alright,
You're
so
gonna do it anyway.
This is the anti-lag button. I hold it down, I floor the throttle, you'll hear the turbo spool up, and when I let go of this, the car takes off.
No. Let me out. I'm calling an Uber. The side of the road. No.